How to find an ocean monument in Minecraft. So if you don't mind using cheats, what you can do is just simply type in slash locate structure, then monument, just like so. After that, just simply click on enter. Then just simply click on the coordinates right here, or you could just type in this command. Then click on enter. Once that's done, you will be teleported to the nearest monument in your area. So this is mine right here. So the second method is using a cartographer. So you need trades on a cartographer. So first we need to go to a village. So I'm currently on village right now. What you want to do now is just simply find a cartographer. But if there's a cartographer, what you can do is just simply get the cartography table and find an unemployed villager or a villager that has no job. So this one has no job, so I'm just gonna place a cartographer next to him and see if it accepts a job. So he accepts a job right there. And now he's a cartographer. And what you want to do now is just simply upgrade the trade level of the cartographer right here. And to do that, you will just need to do some trades right here. So we will need paper or emerald, but of course paper is better since it uses less valuable resources. So we're gonna make some papers to basically level up the cartographer right here. So now as you can see, we're gonna trade up some emeralds right here till the cartographer levels up. As you can see, it's full. Just need to wait for some seconds. And as you can see, it is now an apprentice type cartographer. And when you go to the left right here, we now have a choice to get the Ocean Explorer map. So it requires some compass right here. So I'm just going to get it. So now we're just going to buy it. So I have the Ocean Explorer map right here. Once we have this, as you can see now, we just simply need to go to the location. You just need to follow the map till we arrive at that location. So let's check our coordinates. So I'm currently going to this side, and you just simply need to follow the map until you reach that pin location. And as you can see right here, we're now currently close to the monument. So we're just gonna go about right here, and we have the monument right here. And that's how I basically find an ocean monument in Minecraft.